Hello friends, 25 days of the Great Lent is over. Now there are 25 days left. The question that people ask me is what to cook during these days of vegetarianism. With one chicken you can make hundreds of varieties of dishes, but with vegetable it's boring how to cook every day. So my answer is with one chicken you can make 100 dishes. There are hundreds of vegetables with which you can make one dishes every day. You have a variety of choices. You have the carrot, the cabbage, the cauliflower, the collard, the beans, the yardlog beans, the green leaves, the potatoes, the pumpkins. There's no dearth of vegetables, and each vegetable has got a peculiar taste. And depending upon the soils, the taste differ, the tanginess differ. So every day, one day you prepare one vegetable, the next day the different vegetable. You have a different taste every day. So that way you can enjoy the vegetarian days. All the people in the Lent season, they refrain from non-vegetarian food. They take only vegetarian food. Some do not take dairy products also, and most of them fast till the afternoon. So this is for a religious penance, a time of self-denial. Some people do go to vegetarianism and self-denials for health reasons also, for reducing weight also. And in this age of climate change, we have to go vegetarian once in a while for our Mother Earth. So if you are more vegetarian, we are helping the Mother Earth. The more vegetarian we are, the lesser the carbon emissions. So the less the earth will get warmer. If you refrain from having one meal and you fast, the earth will be saved because you won't be cooking, you will be not using that much food. So that the food security of the world will increase in that way. So for the reason to save the earth also, we can go vegetarian and we can fast once in a week for the sake of our earth and to help save our world from the climate change. So I have given a number of dishes, a number of stir fries in my Cooking Daily channel, which are easy to prepare. Those are the regular vegetable stir fry. If you think that if you find some joy in having vegetables, you can definitely find many ways of having these vegetables. You can find a number of ways of consuming these vegetables. So today I'm going to show you cabbage stir fry. How to make it tasty, entertaining and quick. So I've shared a number of other vegetables like cauliflower. It's not directly fried. You have to blanch it first. So every vegetable has got a little bit of a tip and a trick to make it look presentable, at the same time retain the nutrition and enhance the taste. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare some colorful, tasty cabbage quick stir fries that you can enjoy with your rotis, rice, or simply have it as you wish. So let's try that now. I've taken a cabbage, a normal cabbage, a purple cabbage, so that I told you we'll make it colorful for that reason. Some green chilies, 3 capsicums, 3 bell peppers, 3 bell peppers for color, and some garlic pods and some ginger. Take a cabbage, cut it from the center, cut it again, and then slice them into small pieces. cut it from the center. So we have long pieces of cabbages. The purple one, we will cut it. Chopped ginger, garlic and chili, and we'll use a little soya sauce also during the preparation. Add some oil. Now add the garlic, ginger and chopped chilies. Add some pepper, white cabbage, the wok is full of the cabbage, but they will shrink to more than half. Now we'll add the purple cabbage, the colorful bell pepper, mix them all together. Add salt, soya sauce, the cabbage is now tender. So both the cabbage, the white and the purple, they both taste almost the same. Then we wait for that little water content that is there at the bottom to evaporate, and then we will remove it from flame.